Want to know what $600,000 gets you here in Bristol, Rhode Island? Well, in today's video, my team and I are going to take you on a tour of our next listing. If this is your first time to the channel and you want to know everything there is about living in Rhode Island, subscribe below, tap that bell for notifications so you can be the first to learn about the current market here in Rhode Island. My name is Devin, and my team and I, we get calls and texts every single day from people just like you looking to sell their property in Rhode Island, and we absolutely love it. So whether you're looking to sell in 9 days or 90 days, give us a call, shoot us a text, or send us an email so we can sell your property here in the Ocean State. In today's video, we are giving you a tour of 69-71 Church Street here in Bristol, Rhode Island. You are located in Bristol's historic downtown district, an easy walk to Hope Street where all of the local shops and restaurants exist. You also have this rare opportunity to have a two-family side-by-side, mirror images of each other. So a two-bed, one-bath with great space in the backyard. This property would make a perfect investment property or an owner-occupied property. Let's check out 69-71 Church Street. If you're looking for more information on this property or any other properties here in Rhode Island, all of my contact information is in the description below.